The number one ingredient for running a successful eBay business is time. In this video, I'm going to show you how the eBay competitor research tool can save you tons of times with finding winning products. So what is the eBay competitor research and how it works? To make it easy for you to understand, I jumped into my screen and I'm going to now go through the competitor research tool of Zik Analytics, showing you how it works. Before we move forward, by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to use the competitor research to find winning products, so stay tuned till the end. So we're inside a competitor research interface. It is very simple. All you need to do is to have the seller name. You put the seller name here. You can choose the date range, how much history you want to see between 30 days to 7 days, and then hit the search button and you will get an instant result. I have prepared in advance a seller I found, this Lithuanian seller here, which is generating $3,000 in sales in the last 30 days. I've been checking this seller in advance. He's dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. And we can see all the statistics about the seller here. We can see the sale earnings, how much he generated in the last 30 days, the sold items, how many transactions he had, how many sold items he had, how many active listings this seller have, what is his sell-through rate, his feedback score, how many successful listings out of his total active listings, and what is the average selling price he's selling his products. Using these data points, we can really see the strategy of the seller, whether he's focused on high ticket items or low price items or big amount of active listings or focus on high quality listings but lower amount, etc. We will usually try to focus on sellers who have a great performance, and to be honest with you, 2.9 sell-through rate is not such a wow performance. It's quite low, but because these sellers have a sales earning of $3,000 and this amount of successful listings, I've decided to show you this seller as example. Now, after you understand the performance of the sellers, you can scroll down to his best-selling products here. You can also filter the products by sales in the last 30 days, the total sales, the current price, or you can just go through the products like this. So we can see the list of the products with a picture, title, when the product was uploaded, how many sales in the last 30 days, how many sales in the lifetime, and what is the current selling price, and even what is the competition. Note that to see the competition column, you need to install the Zik Analytics Chrome extension called the Zik Booster and choose the right location, the right setting here in order to see your right information here. So this is how the competitor research tool is work. Very simple. There is no much to do. You find a competitor, you put his name, you click the button and you get the result. But a competitor research tool can be used in many ways. I'll be talking about it in this video. Before I move into the next section, I want to ask you guys, how many of you already used the competitor research tool before? If you've been using Zik Analytics competitor research tool, for what you've been using it, you can write in the comment section below your comment. Please let me know. It's really important for me. So why competitor research analysis are so important for any seller? I want to play with you a little game so you will understand the importance of getting this data into your hand. Now try to imagine that you are planning to open a shoe store, a shoe shop in the nearby shopping center, okay? And before you going there, before you rented a place, before you decided which shoes to sell in your store, you will have the ability to see what are the best selling items of your competitors, of the other shoe shops in this shopping mall. What are their selling prices, where and for how much they're buying their products. What is the best location, which store generating the highest amount of revenue, which store is more profitable, etc. If you had this information before you are planning to open a shoe shop in the shopping center nearby, you would probably gonna have a quick win. You will find the best place, you will find the best products, the best shoes to sell, and you will become successful. Now, this is a wet dream for every retailer out there. And the good thing is that when you're selling on eBay, guys, you can have access for all this information. Yes, you can see the best-selling item of your competitors. You can see who is better than other, what are their sourcing prices, what are their selling methods. And with this data, you can optimize yourself as a seller. You can price your products. You can decide which product to sell, and you can easily build a successful eBay store. Let's move to the last part where I'm showing you how you can find winning products using the competitor research tool. If you found this video valuable so far, I'll truly appreciate if you smash the like button, if you subscribe to our channel. We're releasing a lot of videos every week, including one live every Thursday when I personally answer your questions. So let's move to the last part where we find winning products. Back to my screen, to the most exciting part of this video, finding winning products with a competitor research tool of Zik Analytics. I've prepared for you another example. I found another seller with a much better performance than the seller we saw in the beginning. It's an Israeli seller with an $8,400 sales revenue in the last 30 days from only 46 transactions. Very interesting. And 434 active listings. This seller worked with a very special strategy. He's focusing on high ticket items, dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. His average selling price is $184, which it's very high for dropshipping from China, but it's very interesting to see that his performance is very well, and he's probably, I highly believe he's profitable also. We're going to check out his best-selling products right now, and we're going to find a product today with at least 5 sales in the last 30 days with no more than 10 competitors. So after validating the data, I'm scrolling down to see his best-selling items here. The first product is this 7MAI A800 4K dash camera. It's basically a car DVR camera. It's listed on the 11th of September. It has 8 sales in the last 30 days, 20 sales lifetime, and the current selling price is $134.99. And there is only 8 competitors on this product. So it's 8 sales, 8 competitors, a very good 100% sell-through rate. And the selling price is very interesting. I'm sure that there is profit here. Let's check it out. So I'll hit here this plus button, the red plus. And this is allowing us to check this product by picture on Google. We can check on Amazon, AliExpress, or on Walmart. Based on my checks I did before, I know this seller is dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay, so I'm going to immediately look and search for this product on AliExpress. I hit the AliExpress button, it's open as the search on AliExpress, and now I have to look for the same product. Let's look on the product. So I think is this product here. Let's take a look. So this is the 7MAI dash camera 4K A800. Going back to this product, it's exactly the same one. So we have to choose the right specification here. So I'll just go back here. I'll open, by clicking the title, open the product on eBay to make sure I understand the listings correctly. So I can see here that there is a variation, and we'll go for the first variation here. It's a 7MAI 4K A800. Okay, it's only the camera without the hardware kit, without the rear cam, and with a kit, only the camera, the base. So the price is $134.99. We'll check out right now the product here. I'll pick only the camera here. Ships from China. We can see already free shipping. And without the TF card, the selling price is $103.99. This product sell for $134.99. Let's do the calculation and see if it's profitable or not. Going back here, I just want to show you the demand and competition. So as we say, it has 8 sales last 30 days, 20 sales lifetime, and 8 competitors. In terms of demand and competition, this is definitely a good product, okay? It's definitely a good product. Now, opening the calculator, I'll put here the selling price, which is $134.99. $134.99, removing PayPal and eBay fees 14% and 30-cent PayPal fees, we left with $115.79. Going back to the product here inside AliExpress, the selling price is $103.99 here, so we'll remove $103.99. The seller make $11.80 profit on every transactions based on the sales history he made in the last 30 days here. $88 profit only from one product, guys, only for one product. And if you look on the lifetime, it's 20 sales, it's around $220 profit. Now, this is the beauty of competitor research. You don't need to save too much. You don't need to spend too much time. You don't need to overthink. You get the access to the right data. You can see the best-selling products of your competitors, and you can use the competitor research for many more things. It's not only for finding winning products. You can use it for discovering hot niches, for learning new selling strategies. For example, we saw that this seller is selling very high products, and by seeing these things, we can learn a lot about his selling strategy. Of course, before you list this product, you have to make sure to optimize the title. You have to make sure to optimize picture, description, and make sure you're selling it for the right price. You have all the data here. All you need to do next is check the products. If you want to learn how to optimize titles, we have another video. Comment in the comment section below and I will share with you a link to this video where I teach how to optimize titles. A very powerful video. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. I really hope you learn a lot of new things today. If you're an eBay seller who works as a dropshipper, or even if you're a reseller or wholesaler or selling a second-hand products, I'm sure you understand how important it is to be able to get the data about your competitors, to see their winning products, their prices, where they ship the products from, and all the information you need to know to make the right decision. If you find this video valuable, I'll truly appreciate from the bottom of my heart that you smash the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, if you want to follow me on my live session every Thursday, ring the notification bell. It will really remind you every time I'm going live, every time there is new video that released. Thank you so much. And there is also a lot of links below the video. A link to join Zik Analytics, link to our Facebook community where we are talking and sharing information and having discussions, and link to some of the most important videos I've been mentioning through this video. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.